I'm here with Tom Thomas, and you got stem cells twice, I believe.
I did.
Share your story.
Well, I have an unusual story about stem cells. I've been generally healthy all my life, except when I was 48, I was diagnosed with third stage colon cancer. And I got through that with 1 year chemo drugs. And the doctor gave me one chance in four to survive because it had spread into my lymph system, but I survived. So that's the major health thing I had. So when Karen talked to me about stem cells, I thought, hey, great, if that keeps that cancer, I never want to go through that again. If that keeps that cancer from coming back or another cancer, I'll do it. So I got the infusion of stem cells in 2019. The door open there. And I was generally healthy, so I wasn't expecting anything. But I was 77 at the time, and I was starting to have a balance problem in my ears. If I would go downstairs or go upstairs or get down under something, I would lose my balance, get nauseated. I guess getting old. But after I got the stem cells, I can't remember how long afterwards, I realized I didn't have the imbalance problem anymore. And to make that story go further, Karen and I went to Israel in March of 2020. I went upstairs and downstairs and uneven surfaces, and it was amazing. So, I think in August or September, I got my second infusion, and my reasoning was, it could be preventing some cancer like I had before, or I'm getting old, and when you get old, you go into senior living facilities, and they're very expensive. So why not? So Karen and I got it in August or September, I can't remember. And again, I wasn't expecting anything, but I've been having problems with my legs. Getting up, I would have pain, or playing golf, I would have pain. And if I overdid it playing golf or hiking, I would have terrible cramps. And the doctor said it was when you get older, you lose muscle mass. So he was giving me some ointment that kind of increased the muscle. It helped a little bit. But after I got the second stem cell infusion, I noticed a couple weeks later, I had no more pain.
Awesome.
No more cramps playing golf, and I walk my dog without pain in my legs. So
your golf game's improved, and the dog gets to go on long walks,
true,
and all is good.
And I got thinking, the cost of senior living is pretty expensive nowadays. So if you just save 1 or 2 months, you're way ahead in the stem cells. It's a great investment.
Oh, that's a good point. I like that.
And if you stay out of the senior living facility for a couple of years, you save several $100,000. So what an investment stem cells are. And you don't even know it's happening. God is blessing you during that time. So
Amen. Great testimony. Appreciate it. Thanks so much.